If you're doing everything you were told to do with money, working hard, paying bills, saving a bit, and still feel stuck, you're not alone. Most regular people aren't broke because they're irresponsible. They're broke because they're following money rules that guarantee they stay that way. Let's talk about the three biggest ones. The first mistake is believing that feeling comfortable means you're moving forward. Your bills are paid, your life is manageable, and somehow nothing's on fire. But that's not progress. That's just survival with better packaging. Here's how the trap works. You earn more, so life quietly expands to match it. You upgrade to a better car. You get a nicer place. And you do more "I deserve this" spending. Not because you're reckless, but because it feels earned. Meanwhile, nothing actually changes. This is why many wealthy people live far below what they can afford. Warren Buffett didn't stay in the same modest house because he had to. He did it because he understood something most people miss. Lifestyle upgrades don't build wealth, they consume it. This next mistake is the reason even high earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Debt is how regular people rent a life they haven't earned yet. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. They all sell the same lie. It's affordable because the payment is small. But small payments stack. And once they do, your future income is already gone before it arrives. That's why debt feels invisible at first, and suffocating later. Wealthy people don't avoid consumer debt because they're scared of it. They avoid it because it locks them into obligations instead of options. Debt doesn't just slow you down, it pins you in place. If this is already making you uncomfortable, good. That's how real change starts. Subscribe if you want to stop playing by money rules that work against you. Now, the third mistake is the most dangerous one because it feels responsible. Saving money feels safe, it feels smart, and it feels like progress. But for most people, saving becomes a parking lot, not a launch pad. They wait, they hesitate. They tell themselves they'll start investing once things feel more certain. Meanwhile, inflation quietly eats their buying power every year. Wealth isn't built by letting money sit still. It's built by putting money to work, even when it feels uncomfortable. Saving protects you from emergencies. It will not get you ahead. And when you put all three of these together, you can see why so many people never escape. Here's the real pattern. Comfort replaces progress. Debt replaces patience. Saving replaces systems. These habits don't make you bad with money. They make you normal. But normal is exactly what keeps regular people broke for life. If you want to build money systems that actually move you forward, you're in the right place. This video here shows you the system regular people use on their payday to become wealthy.